Yeah, hi. Oh, very good. Hmm? Okay, let them take care. Better. Okay, so good morning, all of you. So please take rest tomorrow and Sunday, Monday will back uh, with new topic, with new cloud. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, as usual, we are working on project. Any questions on the project? So if no questions means I'll jump to the topic. Hmm? Okay, okay, CC by someone. Hmm. No questions. Okay, then great. Then great. Okay, so what I'm thinking, we done almost, we done almost AWS cloud. I have given task to you, cloud trail, right? Right or not? Any update on this? Hmm? Saturday, Sunday holiday, right? Yeah. Screen is loading, Bhargavi. Okay. I have given only one service for your self-learning purpose. That is cloud trail only, just small service only. Okay. Should I explain here or will take care? CloudWatch, you know, Cloud Trail, Cloud Front is pending, right? One, if you do project, I will explain Cloud Front also. Waiting for your response only. Failure routing, you know, right? Route 53 failure routing. Okay. So once you get a clarity on project, I will show where we can use the Cloud Front also. Okay, that's what I'm waiting. If I discuss CloudFront again, you may ask to repeat again project time. That's what I'm not explaining now. So once you done all, yeah, I'm seeing your response. It's a very good response. Or we'll take up CloudFront also. Anyway, let me explain what is CloudFront theoretical. Then we go for practically later. Okay. Clear? Yeah, that is for CloudTrail. Yes, you are right. Keep the investigation of account, track the all the logs, sign up, sign out. For example, if you start a one instance, that instance details will be updated CloudTrail. I mean, CloudTrail is a enter API activities. API activities means what? Instance started, instance stopped, S3 deleted, S3 created, database created, database deleted. Inside service activities, everything will be investigated by CloudTrail. Understand? What is CloudWatch? Including APIs plus metrics plus application logs. Clear the difference? Just have a look. Self-learning is very important, guys. Self-learning is very, very important. Always don't stick on trainer, only the what trainer is going to be discussed. Okay. Self-learning, which will create a very good confidence. Cloud friend. Actually, mouse is not working. properly. Okay. CloudFront. Guys, in AWS, which service will come first from user perspective? Which server will hit first from user perspective? Very good. Route 53, right? DNS service. See now. I'm not discussing 3 tier, just I'm only taking 1 tier for understanding only. For example, this is the server. Okay, this is the server. Very interesting concept because CloudFront is very, very interesting concept. Very low voice, huh? Okay. My end is everything is correct. Increase the volume. Increase the volume. Okay. So server guys. Thanks, Ravani. Guys, if you feel like a low, something I'm not getting job, something, just call me. Okay, you don't worry, just call me. We'll discuss something why you feel like a low regarding job and all. If you do hard work, definitely job will come. Okay. First of all, uh, don't listen other words. You follow your path only. That is first success only. Okay. If you go, if you ask someone, I'm taking the training and DevOps, is it good means? Everyone say some suggestions to you. Always. Yeah, yeah. Shruti, already you called me right multiple times. Okay. Yeah. Many people are saying, right, so why you are taking Java? Why you are taking Python? Why you are taking, the DevOps? Why you are taking database? If you are ready to listen, many people ready to say. Understand? Don't follow any other words, others. Just follow what you want to do, plus your family members, mother, father, always okay give support to you. Whether you get a success or failure, only the two persons only always give a support to you, mother and father only. Okay. Yes, I'm not commenting any friends. I do have so many friends also, maybe their point of view they can discuss, that will not fit for you. So better you can go your path only. Okay. When I started my career also, many people, so your electrical background, you already doing a job, why you want to leave a job and trying for IT job? If you not success there, this job also will go on, and finally you may very difficult position without any job, kind of many people. So my process is delayed 6 months for these words only. Understand? Already my process is delayed. I consider those suggestions at the time. That's what my process is delayed 6 months. So don't follow anything. You are here, give a justification. Okay, do hard work first 4 5 months. Then success will come. Okay, maybe some cases maybe it will be late. Some cases, if you are a non-native background, some communication problems are there, so something it will be delayed only, but success will come finally. Okay. So that's what, don't follow any other words, other suggestions. Already you took a decision, so stick on that. After, if I, for example, if I join any BTech in any college, right, after join the college and go and ask someone this college is good or not, what will happen if they said no, college is not good? Anything you can do at the time? Already we join, already pay the fees, right? Yes, we can do something. We'll prove in the college only. Same here also. Okay. Yeah, let's go. If you do hard work, always my support is there. Without hard work, after few days, If you call me and say what I need to do, I miss a call. If I miss a classes, if you say now I miss a classes immediately, okay, I will not get any good opinion on you. If you say that word first, I missed due to some reason. Everyone there is a reasons. Everyone has a reasons, right? I do have so many reasons. If you say hi Veera, I miss a classes 1 hour, 1 week or 10 days due to some reason. If you say like that, immediately my opinion will change on you. If you're having any issues, let me know before. Some health issues. Yeah, it's common, right? Let me know before. For example, Raj is there, right? Let me show you. Raj. He's always, every day is updating his response. I mean, see, his health is not good. But he's informed me in the same day itself, right? And again, he's given response after 2 days also. Same problem. Okay. So why I'm saying after 10-15 days, he pinged me the 2 weeks back, my health is not good. The opinion completely changed. That's what I'm saying. Before inform me so that I can understand. Understand? His health is not good. He's the most active person in the group. Yeah. Definitely. See, if you need any help, my end always will be there, guys. Always will be there. So be proactive. If you feel like a low, go to movie, go some places, spend your time. Then again come back and do the work. Okay. Play Apex. Play Apex best. Anything. But don't go any wrong, don't choose any wrong paths. Again, the problem is, right? Bettings. Nowadays. First, they are trying to popular in the social media. Then they can promote betting apps again. It's a very wrong thing, guys. Unfortunately, in India, especially, we are encouraging those people here. Okay. Especially social media. We can take only good things only, not in betting apps and all. It's not at all good, guys. Betting apps. May others can say I got amount. If they got amount, no one can inform first of all. If you get a 1 lakh or 2 lakhs from anywhere, you won't inform to anyone. Simply you can deposit into your bank accounts only. If they are saying I got a 5 lakhs, I got a 10 lakhs, means fake statements, wrong statements. Be careful. I don't know legal or I'm not going to focus anything on that side. I don't know whether it is a legal or illegal. I don't know that, but the process is wrong. That's it. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about now CloudFront. So in Route 53, guys, Route 53 also we discussed some routing policies, right? Failure routing and something and all. This is also CloudFront also work like similar, but there is a advantage. Anyone is from Node.js background here? Okay. So user can access first DNS. The request will go to server. This process we know, right? I mean, the background of server, maybe load balancer will be there, or reverse proxy, third party reverse proxy is there. We discuss, right? The request will be redirect. Okay. So just why I'm saying now, guys, just had a discussion. I had a discussion with someone yesterday, one trainer. I'm not talking about this instance, different institute. So he called me. I have seen your videos and something and all. How you are preparing PPTs, how you are balancing something and all. Something he's saying that. I don't know who given my contact to him. He is one of the. He's saying that I have a 25 years of work experience in the this background, IT background. In Hyderabad there is a first company, Satyam IT solution. Something is there, right? I work there also. Nowadays IT is developed in Hyderabad. Something they are saying it's okay. I'm trying to get a place in Naresh IT also. Can you please give a reference? And something he is saying that, okay, we'll see in that area. And he said, I'm data science background, data analytics background, and saying something. Okay, just ask, what are the, is there any good opportunities in data science? The platform is good or not? And says, he said, yeah, this is the number one platform in IT, only data background platform only. Other platforms are not good. And something he started something. Okay, I listen everything. And he said, you are from which platform? He asked. You know my name, right? I think you know already my platform also, right? I said, yeah, I know Multicloud DevOps, right? Then why you are asking everything? But DevOps is not good. There is a fluctuations, right? DevOps. I don't know what DevOps team will do. And something is started something. Yeah, DevOps is not good. I know that. Okay, you can agree like that only. I said, can you say something about DevOps? He just started something. Where you work, he said some company name. So what is your task? I said, yeah, we are actually working with database and all. Which cloud you are working? AWS. And ask to your manager who created the database. Then you can understand what is DevOps. Okay. I don't know who created. That's what you don't know what is DevOps. Simple as said only. Some team is there that the team, I don't know what they're doing. They're giving database access to me. Ask to the team who implemented a database, who automated a script, who automated a, automation of database, who automated a backups, who automated high availability for the database. Then you can call me tomorrow. You can understand what is DevOps. I didn't get any call from him. So he got a what is DevOps now. Understand? Yeah, government teacher. Exactly. He's talking like a government teacher. Why I'm saying that, guys, every platform is important in IT. See, without testing, many people are saying testers are not required. No, every platform is important in IT. But depends on the platform, there is a demand. That's it only. But requirement, everyone is required, guys. Okay, everyone is required. Yeah. So that's what the things are like that only. If I ready to listen now, he is also ready to say so many stories to me now. Yeah. So user is access to Route 53. Even already I work database, big data platform. I work these many areas, long ago. EMR, Snowflake, okay, big data analysis, Azure Data Factory, AWS Glue, Redshift. I work these areas already. Then I just move to DevOps only for better package. Okay. Yeah. So user access Route 53, the Route 53 is redirecting into load balancer. Load balancer is redirecting into server. Okay, Mahesh. You are working on Snowflake. Okay, very good. Okay. And now where CloudFront will come in this area, right? The CloudFront will come in between user and Route 53. Then you may get a doubt. Let's take a CloudFront logo also. Okay, CloudFront will come here. Clear now? So first request will go to CloudFront and then Route 53 and then load balancer and then EC2. Clear the process now? Now we can focus this area. Okay, now guys. Guys, I think you know cache, right? Laptop inside we have a cache, clear cache. What is cache? Hmm? Very good. Memory. Okay. Memory. What type of memory it is? Volatile or non-volatile? Laptop. Yeah, very good. Okay. So major benefits are this one. Okay. I mean, the purpose of what it will work here to store recent data, right or not? Let me show you some example now. Okay. This is my console right now. Okay. This is my console. If I close this, enter all tabs are closed. How to open again? AWS Management Console. Here, sign into AWS Management Console. It will ask what next? Credentials, username and password. Return to the console. Why it is not asking username and password? Hmm? Why it is not asking? Because of cache. Temporary store. Recent activities stored into temporary storage. This process is called cache. Okay. You tell me what benefit I got now here from this process. Hmm? Without credentials, I log in, right? Is there any benefits I got now? What are the benefits? Fast access, time saved, fast access. For example, yeah, very good, Omkar. If I do same activity tomorrow, will it allow me to, without credentials, to log in the AWS Management Console? No. Why? It will store recent transaction, recent activities only. After that, I will do so many activities in my system, right? Again, recent activities will be stored. It's not like a GBs of data, just MBs of data only will be stored. On top of the RAM only, right? In this case, this information only stores recent activities. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. If you ask me what is CloudFront, I can say cache. Simple answer is. Okay. And also they are using one term, CDN, content content delivery network. Okay. Content will be delivered by using this network, that is CDN, that is CloudFront. Now, simple logic. Okay. User means I am the user now. I have opened AWS Management Console. Just understand, AWS Management Console request will go to AWS server only, right? So request is go to without, for example, without CloudFront, request will go to Route 53, load balancer, and get a response for Amazon to me. If I add CloudFront like a temporary storage cache, if I access AWS Management Console, request will go to first time server, and next time the info will be stored here. Understand? If you close the tab and again open, your request no need to go the server again. It will collect from here only. All the information stored. Understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. Let me explain now in detail. So this CloudFront, guys, okay, offers edge locations, cloud edge locations. Edge locations are nothing but like a temporary folders are there in the laptop, right? To store the cache history. I mean, recent history. In this edge locations will be stored edge locations stored the recent access information. Okay, so now let me take like this. Recent information means, let's see now. Okay, let's see now. User is here. Okay, server is here. Inside Flipkart is running. And in between Route 53 is there. Okay, so instead of directly access Route 53, you can access from CloudFront. What benefits I will get? Let me show you now. These are what? Huh? Edge locations. Understand? Edge locations, US, India, Australia. Just I'm taking like this. UK. You can take some different. Okay. South America, North America. So Ireland. Okay. Once you create a CloudFront, if you select a all edge locations means AWS offers, let me check. The number exactly I don't know. 400 plus, I think. $700. The number is increased to 700. Okay, better go for AWS official document. Yeah. 400 plus, more than 400, 13 regions, 90 cities, 48 countries. Okay. So let's 400 plus edge locations. Clear? While configuring a CloudFront, if you give CloudFront target is what, guys? CloudFront target is what? Route 53. CloudFront target is Route 53. While configuring time, the CloudFront, if you select all edge locations, this CloudFront will be connected to all edge locations. Now user is accessing from India. The request will go to nearby edge location first through edge location. Clear now? And next the request will go to CloudFront and Route 53 and Flipkart main server. If I access Flipkart, clear now? And I will get response back to CloudFront to edge location to you. Here in this edge location, this recent information will be stored. Clear? Now again, if you can access flipkart.com after few minutes, first it will check the edge location. The content will be stored or not, what user is looking. Yes, if it is there, it will be delivered immediately. That's what content delivery network. If it is not there, go for main origin CloudFront. Main origin also there. Here it will check. Here also not there. Go to server. Clear? Same like your Flipkart. Sorry, same like your laptop. If you access something, first it will check a cache history in the temporary folder, temporary directory, any information stored or not. If it will be stored, directly it will come. If it will not store, request will go to next level, DNS and server. Clear? If user access from US, first request will go to where? US edge location. So US edge location information is there, you will get back. Or main origin like this only. Clear what I am trying to say? Clear what I am trying to say? So by using the edge locations, we can deliver the network quickly. So mainly the benefits are what? We can improve the, very good, improve the latency. No need to go every request into the main origin, right? So you can collect the information from nearby edge location. But when it will work, first you should access. First time request will go to where? Main server only, first time. Second time onwards, the request you will get from the edge locations if the content will be not override with other content until and that. Clear or not? Yeah. This is a benefit. So here we can select only few edge locations. We can give a list, for example. Yeah. If you give like this is just Terraform code anyway, I'm saying that. Locations I have selected US. Okay, CA, GB, DE, IN. Means here, these many countries only accessible. Remaining are restrictions. Understand? So if you give access through CloudFront, definitely you need to be access through CloudFront only, right? We see, if I give application access through CloudFront, users don't know my Route 53 DNS also. In this case, only option to hit your application through CloudFront only. Clear or not? So this CloudFront, we can enable some restrictions. We can give some origin restrictions, all our edge locations also. If I give star here, everyone can access from any, globally from any region. If I give only specific regions, these people only can access my CloudFront. Indirectly, these people can access only my application, right or not? Why? I'm giving access through only CloudFront. Yeah. Clear now? So this is origin access, main origin I'm creating. And here distribution, distribute to where? My S3. And CloudFront distribute to only these regions. Like that. Clear? I will take a one session end to end on CloudFront. If you do your project, so I will deploy the project through Terraform and I will implement CloudFront manually first, and then I will show you through Terraform. Okay. First, you need to be focused this area. If you get a clarity this area, I will add here. So guys, in this case, in the 3-tier architecture, CloudFront request will go to first front-end server through Route 53. Clear or not? If the request reach to front-end, the back-end, front-end both are in the same network, right? We won't face any latency issues. Clear or not? Yeah. So here back-end also there, for example. So here when you access a front-end and back-end and database, this entire request will be stored here only. So you will get from here only the response. Understand? So this is the process of CloudFront. Anyone has any questions? And even so, try to habituate like AI tools. What is CloudFront? You just also try to understand from here. High speed to users. Old word. It's a cache content at edge locations to reduce the latency. Same we discussed, right? Same. See, first, when user request to content, the request is routed to nearby edge location. Check cache. If requested content is already cached at edge location, CloudFront serves it immediately. Same we discussed, right? And origin, if the content is not in the cache, CloudFront retrieve it from the main origin. And again, it will be caching for future request. Through edge location only, the request will be served to the client. It will be stored. See, future. Checking for future request, CloudFront store the fetching content at the edge locations for future requests, reducing the load on origin server. All points understand or not? See how easily we can understand after see this in small architecture. That's what the power of architectures. If I discuss before architecture this theory, it's difficult to understand. Yeah. How much storage? We can give the storage options also. Edge locations. Time also we can give. I mean, what time it has to be stored? TTL, time to live. See, time to live. So we can be set from 0 seconds to years also, but chargeable. When you increase the memory content size in the cloud content delivery network, it will be chargeable. See, CloudFront edge locations have varying the storage capacity depends on the demand on the region. But AWS, yes, does not disclose exact cache size per the edge location. But edge locations can handle multiple terabytes. Just we can give the option only. Okay. Any questions? What is minimum TTL, maximum TTL? Just try to understand what you get it from this. Minimum TTL means what? Shortest time before cache refresh means what? Shortest time before cache refresh means what? Very good, Omkar. If I give, for example, minimum time is 1 minute, the recent data will be stored only 1 minute only. After that, again refresh. Again, your request will go to main origin only. For example, user is access now. And after that, user is, yeah, after that, user want to access after 3 minutes, again, the same request. But all the request is cleared from the edge location because of only 1 minute. If user can access within 1 minute only, user will get a benefits from the edge locations. After that, request has to travel main origin only. Clear? Maximum means longest time. For example, 2 days time. If you select, 2 days time, it will be offer. So CloudFront will be still the same response will be stored in the 2 days. You can access from any time in the range. So you will get a benefit from CloudFront with low latency. Clear? Like that. We have a same process for Azure and Google Cloud also. Azure Friendor, Azure Edge Locations, AWS Edge Locations, Google Cloud Edge Locations, all are same. No changes. But the changes are what? Here Google, there AWS, there Azure only. Process is same. Even laptop also same process is working, right? But some naming conventions are different only. NACL, okay. Let's go to NACL concept. Reverse proxy is clear, right, everyone? Very good. Okay. So Nginx. It's taking a default VPC, default subnet, okay? Launch instance. You know what is EBS, right? We increase the size also, right? The Linux classes. Yeah. Let's connect. Yeah, correct. systemctl start nginx. Okay, let's access. When you are able to access, if there is no restrictions in SG level, right or not? Hmm? Control C, let's close new cognate. Okay, if I'm unable to, my end, I think there is a restrictions. I'm unable to access HTTP few sites. I think let's go and check SG groups. Oh, only 22 is enabled, right? Now you can access. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. NACL. What is NACL? Network Access Control List. Network Access Controls. So the main purpose of this is works subnet level. SG group will work instance level, right or not? Instance level. So NACL will work subnet level. I will discuss WAF also, web application firewall, application level. Okay. SG instance level. Okay, my server is running now in one subnet. My server is running on one subnet. Okay. This subnet I can enable NACL. NACL also inbound, outbound is there. Inbound traffic and outbound traffic. But SG outbound traffic is what? Allow for all, right? But NACL, NACL outbound also should enable. But in SG, outbound is all traffic, right? Yeah, this is the difference. Let's go to the concept. Let's understand this server is running which subnet, this subnet. Open this subnet. Okay, this is the subnet. Real-time NACL mostly we won't work. Only SG group. The reason, if you enable, for example, today NACL concept to subnet now, future other servers may be land in your subnet. So NACL level, if you can give restrictions, that impact will be there all servers. I will show you now, you will get a clarity. So my end already NACL, see, when you create a subnet, by default NACL will be created, but that will be bypass until you give a restrictions. For example, this is a subnet, right? Already this subnet NACL is attached or not? Open this NACL now. Okay, open this NACL. So by default, edit inbound rules. Yeah. See, by default, all traffic is allow. By default, NACL all traffic is allow. Okay. So now what I can do, so I'm going to be add a one rule. Rule number. See, and very important thing here, NACL will work based on the priority. Here 100 is what? All traffic, right? So if I give 101, no use. The reason 100 is all traffic. Priority will take 100 only. Understand what I'm trying to say? For example, I'm going to change 100 is for enable only SSH traffic only. Clear or not? 100 if I enable SSH traffic and 110 SSH is Denny. Which now am I able to access SSH or not for this server? Yes. Why? 100 is a priority low, so SSH 110 is disabled, 22 is enabled. That's what. Clear? Okay. For example, 100 is Denny, 110 is allow. Let's save now. Okay. Let's take a public IP of the server. EC2 test. Okay, let's open MobiXterm. Even I'm unable to hit my request to server, right? But SG level, let's understand. This server security group is what? All traffic, even though you are unable to access. Why? Before SG, subnet is there, right? The subnet layer you have given a restrictions. Once request is delivered from NACL only, the request will be reached into the security group. But restrictions given in Yeah, request is given in subnet level. After request will be hit to SG once leave from the subnet only, right? But request is blocked at subnet level. That's what you are unable to access 22. Now, this will apply for all servers, only specific server. Inside subnet all servers. Why? NACL works subnet level. Understand now? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now 110 is allow, but 100 is Denny. Priority will, both rules are same, but system can take priority is minimum 100. Clear? If you change, for example, 110 is Denny, 100 is allow. Same protocol, same type, two rules are there. One is 100, one is 110. Now save the chain. See, outbound also what here? Allow for all traffic. So outbound at this time no restrictions, but you can disable if you do changes here also the request won't work. See, I will show you that one also. Now we able to connect or not? See, now NACL is accepting the 22, 100 priority. That's what you are able to access. Clear or not? Okay, let's go to NACL again. Outbound rule. So inbound rule is clear now. Based on the priority only it will work. Let's go to outbound rule. What I said here, inbound, outbound should be enabled only request will travel. Outbound also already enabled, right? 100 is what? All traffic. For example, 100 if I'm giving only HTTP traffic. Clear now? Inbound is what? 22. Outbound is what? HTTP. Able to accept or not? Why? If you enable any rule in inbound, same rule should enable into the outbound. For example, if you want to remove the restrictions from outbound, what you can do? Give all traffic. Clear now? If you enable one rule in inbound, outbound also should be enabled. So outbound means what here? If you enable NACL here, okay? So request is entered here. Okay. So here, if you access here, the request should be open here also. Understand? Both rules can be enabled only. The request will go and come back. But in SG level, this SG level, if I take SG level, outbound is always allow, no restrictions. So no need to touch anything in outbound. But inbound, you should enable. Here also NACL also work like SG also. I mean, not layer level, just functioning level. What we can do, NACL outbound, you can give all traffic. that will work like SG also. But we can attach to only subnet only. NACL can't attach to EC2, SG can't attach to subnet. Clear the process now? Here, one NACL, we can attach multiple subnets. Understand what I'm trying to say? Let's go to VPC. One SG can be attached to multiple servers? Yeah. See, one NACL attached to 7 subnets. In this case, all subnets inside instances 22 is restricted. Right or not? So if you want to control the rules, control the security entire network level, create a NACL, add all subnets into NACL, give a restriction for NACL. That's it only. Understand? My end 100 instances are there. In intermediate, they ask 100 instances are running. If you want to provide some access to all servers, specific server, if you want to block for all servers, in this case, you can say, yes, there is a concept in NACL, work like a subnet level. If all servers are running in one subnet, you can attach a NACL to subnet. We can provide some restrictions. Clear? Yeah. Any questions? Edit subnet association. So you can see now. Simple logic here. You are able to enable, we are able to enable secure for subnet level, right? 100 servers are running in the same subnet. Subnet level, if you give a restriction, means that will be apply for all servers or not? That's what. Just wait. Pradeep. Pradeep, class లో morning. అసలు లైట్ తీసుకో రేపు ఏం లేదు చేస్తామని. Okay. So here, how many servers are running? Only one. But SG level 22 is enabled. But NACL is blocked. So user request first enter to subnet and enter to instance only, right? Here is block. So here is open means no use, right? In this case, my end, 100 servers are running in the same subnet. If I block some rule, that will be block all servers or not? That's what I'm saying. So NACL and 22 is block means 100 servers inside SG group level. If you open 22 also, no use. The request first has to cross subnet and enter into the server. So if you enable NACL, whatever rules you are opening into the SG level, same rules you need to be open into the NACL level. Understand? My application is running 80 port, 22 port, 443 port, 8080 port, for example. These many servers are running. One server is running 80 port, one server is running 22 port, one server is running 443, one server is running 8080. Different requirement, but all servers in same subnet. NACL, if I enable means I need to allow 80, 22, 443, 8080. Right or not? But the problem is, if you enable second server only 22 is required, first server only 80 is required, third server is 443 is required, but not possible, right? If you enable NACL level 80, 22, 443, 80, that will work for all servers. Right or not? That will work for all servers. But how to control? Server level SG is there, right? Server level SG you can control. So this SG only enable 80. This SG only enable 22. This SG only enable 80. This SG you can attach to server. NACL is allowed for all the rules, but SG is not allowed to all the rules for all the servers. Clear? Yeah, like that it will work. Any questions? Okay. No questions, sir? So here also, for example, in this NACL, so already I have enabled 100 for SSH, right? If you want to enable 80, you can take 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Like that, you can add 10 digits, you can create it. Okay. Universally, we are following the number series is like that only. I can give 112, sir, 114, sir, you can give. But we are following universally 10 digits variations. For example, if I want to enable 80, what I can do? 80 here, allow here. In SG concept, there is no allow any options, only allow. Remaining is Denny only. But here, allow Denny also there. 80 you can allow, 80 you can Denny. Depends on your future. But SG, there is no Denny option. Allow 80 means in SG, remaining are Denny. That's the meaning indirectly. So now how many rules I have enabled? 2. One is 22, one is 80. Same rules you need to be enabled into outbound also. Understand? Yeah. Let's access the application now. I'm unable to access. Why? Outbound 80 restricted, right? NACL. Inbound, okay, 80 is allowed. Sorry. Yeah, inbound 80 is allowed. But outbound only this is for what? 22, right? And next, add a new rule. What is the number? 110. I'm giving here 80. Allow. Okay. Save changes. Now you can access. So anyone can access. Maybe it will work from your end. Maybe my laptop, same issues I'm facing. Maybe I think Harkrishna is from 7:30 AM batch. Okay. The reason is for volumes. Understand, resources maybe you stop. The background still volumes can be chargeable. That you need to understand. Okay, clear? NACL concept is clear? Yeah. So like that it will work. So we don't have any class. So first preference is for project, guys. Very important. And then we can focus on next concepts. Monday onwards. I'll let you know the Monday concept what we discuss in the Telegram. Let me talk to other batch students also. If I start a GCP, I'll let you know. If I start a GCP, please attend 8 a.m. Okay, 8 to 10, continuously 2 hours. I will let you know the timings. So actually the 7:30 batch also GCP is pending. So we will merge and take it so that we can spend more time. If I take, they are also separate, you are also separate, same concepts again. Better I will cover more concepts like that. I think you guys are attending 9 a.m., right? Is there any challenges to attend 8 a.m.? Breakfast issues are there in the hostel? Then, yeah, little early is no gym. Gym. Little early is no problem. Little late is the problem. You may schedule something, right? Yeah, Arshad, it's very difficult. 3 a.m. in Ireland. I will do for some favor for this case. I will share the recordings also. Okay. If anyone miss, I will share the recordings. But I'll confirm that. Just let me talk to management. I'll confirm end of the day regarding GCP. Yeah, recordings to everyone. Let me talk. I don't know if they accept only. I will guess. Once again, I'm saying. Anyway, first you can attend the sessions. Just little 1 hour early only. Just for only 1 week only. Again, we can go for as usual for DevOps. Okay. The reason is I have to be completed sessions in 5 months below only. If I take separately GCP, 10 days it will take for you, 10 days it will take for them only. I can save at least 4 days if I merge the classes. That's what intention is. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.